Meaning of Lady Emma Hamilton.
Lady Emma Hamilton.
Lady Emma Hamilton.
Lady Emma Hamilton.
Lady Emma Hamilton. Lady Emma Hamilton was a renowned British socialite and model in the late 18th century. She is most famous for her relationship with Admiral Horatio Nelson, a prominent British naval commander, who she met while he was stationed in Naples, Italy in 1793. Lady Hamilton became Nelson's mistress and played a crucial role in his life and career until his death in 1805. She was also known for her beauty, acting skills, and her ability to charm and influence powerful men of her time.